Okay, now let's fix one bug. Whether they are no if you noticed or not. But when our enemy dies in the running state, after he's dead, he's just moving towards our player little bit. And that's not exactly what should happen. Basically, this happens because the enemy he went after that. He's just trying to chase our player, yeah. He is quite bright enemy, quite bright ray monster. And to fix that, what we can do after enemy's dead, we can deactivate the collider of it. And also enemy controller of it. And it will fix our problems. So indicate damage function after we play the dead animation. We can say get component. Component that we want is collider. dots enabled equals false and also get components. And well, this time we want to access the script itself. So enemy controller. Adults enabled equals false as well. And that's pretty much it. We can save the script. And let's compile. And now let's check. Let's kill this enemy. Yeah. He's not. I'm going towards the player after he's dead. So now we have nice looking enemy. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.